our customer require out of China.
Okay.
It's much easier to ship them in US because the tariff.
What is the average MOQ for such products? Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In today's episode, we're gonna discuss about a growing demand and trend for pet products. With a growing number of consumers worldwide looking to buy products for their furry friends, this is the best time to jump into that market and to try to offer to them suitable products that are catered to their needs. Today we are visiting the InterPetFair in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, and I'm going to ask to some of the sellers here what are their hot products and where they are actually manufacturing them. You will see they are not all coming from China. We're going to talk about Vietnam and Cambodia that are hot markets to manufacture such products. So stay tuned until the end of this video if you want to learn everything about that hot and trendy sector. Before we get into the topic of this video, we are moved to Asia, your go-to sourcing partner in Asia. We can take care of the entire scope from finding the right supplier, doing due diligence on your behalf, organizing factory tour, taking care of the entire process of quality control. We also have a warehouse for mixed container consolidation. In a wrap, we can act as a local team of our clients to ensure the entire scope of their procurement needs. Let's start by an overview of this market and why it's getting high attention from worldwide. The increasing demand for pet products is largely driven by a growing pet ownership. According to recent trends, as of 2024, 66% of US households, which account for 86 million people, own a pet. There is also this trend of humanization, and 97% of pet owners saw their pets as part of their family, and over half of them are considering as equal to human family members. The rise of pet ownership across Europe and the US has already been there. People are also more concerned about the health of their pets, creating a demand for high quality, organic and specially formalized pet products, including food, grooming products and health supplements. So you understand now this worldwide growing trend, why it can be interesting for people who are already sourcing products in similar product categories to also trying to diversify it, look for new suppliers and get the hot and new product trends. Let's go to the fair and interview some of the people that are right now exposing the latest creations. Hello. Hi. Yeah. So Jerry, can you explain us a bit about your factory in Cambodia, in the region of Saint-Lucie?
We have factory in Cambodia. At this moment, it's most material from China. We are also trying to find a new material supplier in Cambodia.
In which part of Cambodia is it located? Saint-Lucie. Okay.
So we set the factory in Cambodia is for the US customers. You see, because of some heavy duties now in USA, so we have to create the factory in Cambodia.
Where is the factory? Binyu? Okay. How many workers are you having in the factory?
More than 100 persons.
100%?
Yeah.
We have about 60 workers.
Nếu tính thêm mà văn phòng thì không có nhiều, nhưng mà tổng công ty mà thì sản xuất khoảng tầm 60-70 người. Bên anh sản xuất cho một bên đơn vị thứ ba để xuất khẩu qua bên Mỹ.
Our factory was established in 2006 in China, and last year we also established our new factory in Cambodia. We have around 120 people in Cambodia for now, but we are still expanding.
Why Cambodia is suitable to make those products? Is it for the cost of labor? Is there other parameters?
No, just because our customer require out of China.
Okay.
We'll import the raw materials from China and then make a production in Cambodia to help our customers avoid the duty tax.
What is the MOQ, the average MOQ for such products?
3,000.
3,000 pieces per design per color?
Yes.
And then do you do OEM? Do you have an in-house team of engineers who can help with the product development?
Yeah, no problem.
Both for OEM and ODM we can do, and the MOQ is 3,000 pieces per item per color.
Okay.
Mỗi một lần đặt mẫu riêng này sẽ là bao nhiêu mét? Bao nhiêu mét họ muốn sản xuất cho bao nhiêu sản phẩm thì mình sẽ sản xuất cho họ.
3,000 mats
Một mẫu bên anh thì khoảng tầm 1.000 sản phẩm. Bên anh có thể làm theo những cái thiết kế của khách hàng được, và bên anh có thể tự thiết kế cho khách hàng cũng được.
1,000 pieces per color per size.
1,000 pieces per color per side.
Yeah.
And you are doing, is it ODM or OEM?
Both.
Both? Okay. So this company will be accepting 1,000 pieces per color per style, meaning that they will have to source the fabric, all the different raw materials, but they can be doing OEM, meaning that if you are having your own patterns, your own designs, and
Yeah.
also your own tech pack, right? You'll be
Yes,
able to make
sure.
on demand more than just private label. Okay.
Yeah.
Regarding to the current dynamics, do you see more and more inquiries for US companies looking to go outside of China and to
Yes,
diversify?
sure. For our customers, require us to move the products from China to Cambodia. Most of them, and I think it's about 60% of increase in Cambodia this year.
60%?
Yeah.
Wow. You say that the factory, you set it up in Cambodia just last year, right?
Yeah, just last year.
And then you already have 2 production lines, and then you have some ambition to grow and then to develop made in Cambodia products to export mostly. Is it to the US?
Yes, it's much easier to ship them in US because the tariff.
Yeah, everyone is having at the moment that
Yeah.
China plus one strategy, right? They are looking to diversify the supply chain.
Yes.
So you are one of the example among a lot of Chinese companies who already set up factories.
Factory overseas.
So as you see, there is some product and countries that are standing out in the game for sourcing and manufacturing such pet products, and they are not about food processing. We see this rising trend of garments that are especially for small pets like dog, where fashion and function meet. We have pet toys, including durable silicones and rubber toys like shoe toys and interactive play items. We have all the grooming products, including brushes, shampoos, and special care kits. And finally, we have the pet furniture for comfort and home integration. This category including beds, crates, scratching posts, climbing trees, and feeding stations. And regarding the manufacturing countries, you see Chinese manufacturers that are already setting up factories and facilities outside of China. They are just trying to meet the demand of their buyers and then trying to make all the tariff more smooth for people who are looking to diversify outside of China. We have, for instance, Cambodia that is quite visible in that show with products like collar and rope. We have a country like Vietnam that is also popular for garments manufacturing with a strong textile industry, also suitable for manufacturing shoe and silicone toys. Now, what about some key consideration and takeaway that we got from the discussion we just had with those manufacturers? One other thing is MOQ wise, those manufacturers are actually quite flexible and will be able to match with low MOQ ranging from 1,000 to 3,000 pieces per design and per color. Most of them will be also having their in-house team to provide OEM, meaning that they can work with the client specification, and they have the in-house engineer team to help with all the product development. Obviously, for the smaller scale one, you will need to provide them the full tech pack, meaning that they will be able to prepare sample based on your own product specifications and source the raw materials. Now, regarding to the certificate, you will need to check in your home country what are exactly the specificities that are requested to be able to distribute such product locally. Just know that most of those well and established factories are already having their first manufacturing plant in China, so they will be able to meet with all the required certificates. CE for the European market to ensure products meet safety and health standard. We have also some eco certification, especially for pet toys, food, organic and non-toxic certifications that can be essential for some key markets and health conscious consumers. And for the US market, we also saw some FDA approval. So if that's the type of certifications that you are requesting, or even ISO or GMP, you will need to ask beforehand to those potential suppliers to make sure that they meet and match with your requirements. In a wrap, this fair is an interesting fair to visit if you are looking to source such products to manufacture in Asia and export worldwide. You can directly engage first conversation with some key potential suppliers, get their requirements, catalogs, and touch physically the products. If you are looking to learn more about this product category, you can go below in the description and find more details about our products and services. If you enjoy this video, leave a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like